Hi guys, and welcome to the Voice of AI. My name is Chris Plant. Welcome back to our series, Building Websites for Maximum SEO Results. In today's episode, we'll be diving into the world of link building and its importance for your website's visibility on search engines. Google values links and wants you to do the same. So if a specific keyword is on your page, it's essential to link it to a relevant destination. We'll be discussing why you should focus on quality links, how to avoid black hat SEO practices like buying links, and using powerful plugins like Urlslabs that can help you optimize your link building strategies. Then we'll showcase a demonstration using Live Agent as an example build. So let's get started. Why link building matters. Google is all about links. Links help search engines understand the relevance and importance of your website's content. When you have quality links pointing to your pages, it signals to Google that your content is valuable. But remember, you should only send users to the relevant pages. Sending them elsewhere with no relevance is not beneficial. Now let's talk about keywords and AI semantic search. When you're building links, it's essential to choose the right keywords. With the help of an AI semantic search, you can get suggestions for keywords that are related to your content. These suggestions can help you optimize your link building strategy by using relevant keywords that align with your content and your target audience. Avoiding black hat SEO practices. When it comes to link building, it's crucial to avoid black hat SEO practices like buying exchange links from questionable sources. Google can easily detect these unethical practices, such as link farms, and it can result in your website being penalized or even banned completely. The goal of link building should always be to acquire good quality links from reputable sources that points to the best pages on your website. This is where the power of Urlslabs comes into play. Choosing a great link building tool. I use Urlslabs, which is a free, powerful WordPress plugin that can assist you in optimizing your link building efforts. It provides valuable insights and helps you create effective links that drive traffic and improve your search engine rankings. You can input your list of keywords and define where they should point. The tool automatically generates links for you, ensuring that the keywords are strategically placed on your website. This helps Google understand why specific keywords are used, leading to higher rankings on search engine results pages. And whether you're using Gutenberg or Elementor, Urlslabs works seamlessly with both, giving you flexibility to create impactful links on your WordPress website. Demo link building with Live Agent. Now let's dive into the live demo using this example of the Live Agent website. In this demonstration, we'll be looking at physical links for each page on the website, showing that they're optimized for search engines and user experience. When creating a link, it's crucial to provide a descriptive title that actually represents the destination page. Urlslabs makes this process easy by utilizing AI to summarize the content of the destination pages and generate perfect titles for your links. This helps both Google and the user determine if the link is relevant and valuable. Another key feature of Urlslabs is the ability to generate related articles and resources for each link. These aren't random links, but rather a curated list of content clusters that are similar to the page you're linking to. This allows users to explore related activities and topics that align with their interests. Additionally, Urlslabs uses semantic similarity to automatically suggest related articles based on the content of your pages. And this internal linking strategy helps showcase the importance of your pages to both users and, of course, the search engines. So thanks for watching the video, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content and tips. And join me on the journey to unlock the potential of AI. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below. And I'll see you next time. All the very best. I'm Chris from the Voice of AI. Cheers and bye-bye now.